Welcome to MixMasters, craft cocktails, where we teach you how to make classic cocktails. We are at ASW Whiskey Exchange, Atlanta, Georgia. We're doing fall classic. You know, in the fall we do apples. So we're gonna do a Washington apple, okay? You know, back in the day, you used to have to take the crown and put it with the apple pucker and then the cranberry, and that would be your Washington apple. But now, we have crown apple. So you just wanna ice up your glass. Easy cocktail. Ice up your glass. 1.5 ounces of crown apple. And fill with cran. Give it a quick stir. And I do mean quick. Find you a nice garnish. And there you have your classic Washington apple.